Sakani here. Today we're going to be taking a look at this interesting average value problem, and it does have something to do a little bit with integrals. So let's get started. The average value of f of x over this domain is 10. The average value of f of x over this domain is 7. What is the average value of f of x over the interval this? What is average value? Well, in short, average value is... So let's use this formula to find the answer. So let's say average value is 10 in this bound. So I'm going to write, in this case, b is going to be the higher value. So this is going to be b and this is going to be a. So I'm going to write 1 over b minus a, so 3 minus 2, because a is negative 2. Integration, a is negative 2 to b, f of x dx, and then they gave us the average value is 10, so I'm just going to write 10. And I'm going to simplify this, so this is just equal to 5. And that is our first equation right there. So we basically made use of the first sentence already. Let's do the same exact thing for the second sentence. It says the average value of f of x over this domain. So in this case, b is going to be 5 and a is going to be 3. So I'm going to say 1 over b minus a, aka 5 minus 3, integration 3 to 5 of f of x dx, and they said that average value is 7. And once again, simplifying this, that is just 1 over 2, and that is their second equation. Now they're saying what is the average value of f of x over this interval? So the average value of f of x over this interval is going to be 1 over, this is going to be b, this is going to be a, so we have b minus a, aka 5 minus 2, integration negative 2 to 5 of f of x dx, and then we don't know this value. Let's first simplify this actually, and the only thing we don't know is this part right over here, and that is perfectly okay because we're actually going to use these two equations to find this part over here. So from the first equation, I can rewrite this equation by taking 5 to the other side, right? That is just some basic algebra. So if I take 5 to the other side, I get 10 times 5, which is 50. I'm going to do the same thing for over here. I'm going to take 2 to the other side, so 2 times 7 is 14. And you see that we have two integrals now. We have negative 2 to 3, and we have 3 to 5. So if we do integration negative 2 to 3 of f of x, so this is a commonly well-known property, negative 2 to 3, and then 3 to 5, that is equal to negative 2, and then 5 over here. So I know this is equal to 50. I know this is equal to 14. So this hence has to be equal to 64. So our average value is going to be 1/7 times 64. So that is 64 sevenths.